We Are All Satoshi. All IPs are protected. Anyone copying, distributing, or reselling any We Are All Satoshi product without express permission risks serious legal consequences. Any unauthorized broadcasting, live streaming, or social media sharing of We're All Satoshi presentations is strictly prohibited. Downloading and re-uploading presentations without permission violates copyright law and may lead to legal consequences.
Ladies and gentlemen, I do not have to tell you too much about this, about Chavez, who has been leading this organization for over a year now, having brought us BTCC and so many other products. He is an innovator, a developer, and he cares about this community very much. Thank you for your support in being here. Chavez, thank you for being here to always reliably, with great integrity, every single Wednesday to provide us an update. I turn the floor over to you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Grace. Welcome to UK Prime Time. I believe you all are doing good. I'm doing really good and quite excited, and can't wait to share the progress, where we are right now, where we are moving, how fast we are moving, and what is on our plate in coming few weeks, and what are we planning to bring to our plate in coming few months. All right, so exciting updates were shared. The information about the first allocation was shared with the rank leaders last week, and all the rank leaders, they witnessed the project. They understood the facts of the project, what project is doing, what kind of value it is going to bring to our community on top of the allocation. So there is TGE. There is TGE, which we are part of. There is going to be the token generation event for this project in November, and 100% of Capital 3.0 tokens, 3.0 tokens that you have in your WAS are going to be cashed out. So it's a very big progress, and I don't know how many leaders they called you, they invited their group for calls and briefed a little about the project, the allocation that we got, the first one. But as far as I understand, and I have checked, they are all excited. They have seen the project. They have started association also with the project by participating in the tech that they have built. So very soon, communication will go downstream. It will come to you, and you will also hear about the basics, the benefits, apart from the token allocation that we are going to receive. And this is the first allocation. And see where we are right now with Capital 3.2. Now, the big news is first allocation is set by this weekend. After this weekend, before Monday, we are going to finalize the vested capital for this allocation. So all of you have this week. The bigger this allocation will be, the more we will be benefited, because it's the seeds that we sow. So the reason why it is called pre-seed is because you you put your investment in any business, any opportunity, any company, any model as a pre-seed. and then when it grows, you bear the fruits. So it is the pre-seed structured allocation that we are a part of, and the bigger our vested capital will be, the more benefits we are going to reap for next 3 years. This allocation comes with a linear vesting of 36 months, and this is the big advantage for the community, that as Capital 3.0 DAO, we will have opportunity to cash out 3.0 tokens for the next 3 years with just one project. Second allocation is also similar. It has 15 months linear vesting. That means 50% of the tokens will be liquidated at the TGE, and then rest 50% will come to you straight for next 15 months. And this is the story about just first two allocations, and more are coming. So very good news for the community that we have third allocation also in the pipeline. You guys are doing so well. You guys are pushing Capital 3.0 so good that we have created a reputation in the GP side, in the top tier fund side as well. It's really, really impressive. And we are going to have a, a bigger standing once Capital 3.0 DAP will be up. I believe everybody who has subscribed, who have purchased a Capital 3.0 package, has got an option to enter and submit their phantom wallet address, your Solana wallet address. If you have not done that, please go ahead and create a phantom wallet. There are videos already. Joe, have you posted a video?
I have indeed.
Amazing. Drop that link in the chat, please, for me.
Okay.
So this is how you create a phantom wallet and bind your phantom wallet with WAS back office. You will get pop-up to bind your uh, phantom wallet address only if you have an active Capital 3.0 subscription. Please make sure you add your unique address to every user account using every account on WAS separately, because it will not accept duplicate address. Okay, coming back to the narration, the moment uh, blockchain address, the contract address of Capital 3.0 DAO will have individual votes, C30 DAO tokens, and the voting will start. Then we will be able to bring and then we will be able to build a even bigger traction as far as the community is concerned and the projects are concerned. And this is what I imagined. This is what we collectively imagined when I gave the narrative of Capital 3.0 to you guys. It all started with an idea here on a Wednesday. And see, it is executed. All the credit goes to all the leaders, all the members of WAS, because you guys picked this narrative, you guys pushed and built the momentum in no time. And see, we have three allocations set structured. And on top of the tokens, on top of the allocation, the benefits, the airdrops, the extra additional perks which are going to come, because we are a community, we are investors, and also we have traction. We need to, I was thinking about a term for this particular kind of VC structure, VC structured DAO, because we are more powerful than the VCs. We are a community, and that is where the real, uh, you know, negotiation starts with the funds, with the projects. So I always get upper edge. So the next allocation, the third one, is going to be even bigger, even better, because now we have, common ground, understanding. The fund managers, the GPs, they understand the model, and they are happily offering us more and more. So we need to set our target, aim for, I mean, my estimation when we started Capital 3.0 narrative, in the first week of sales, I had this calculative estimation that till January we will be able to generate and accumulate $100 million worth of sales, and that generates $65 million worth of affiliate marketing rewards from WOS. That is the bigger picture for me. And then the allocations. The allocations which will skyrocket your portfolio. Because along with the allocations, you are going to receive many more perks as a community. Because we are a group of community, so many people. So Capital 3.0 DAO narrative is going to hit really, really hard in the bull run. So tie your laces. Uh, if you are already doing it, ready, keep pushing more. If you are starting right now, this is your time. This week, uh, by the end of this week, the vesting for first allocation will be sent, will be signed. And I was able to secure this deal with really a lot of convincing, because it's just new. The narrative is new, and it's really, really difficult to convince top tier funds to get the allocations, because it's not the money which always works in the fund size. So, Capital 3.0 narrative going really good, really well. Next week on Wednesday, I will share Capital 3.0 DAP infrastructure, how it will work. But today, I would like to share the process once again, so that you all are, uh, mentally learned and prepared for the voting process and how Capital 3.0 ecosystem is going to work. It is very, very simple. So as soon as you submit your phantom wallet address on WAS, how many people already submitted their phantom wallet address slash their Solana wallet address to their WAS dashboard? Please raise your hand. Let me see. Amazing. Amazing. Perfect. Great. Perfect. 60 people. 65. Only 65 people out of 450, 466, 77. Amazing. I think close to 100. Okay. So, all of you, 100 people, your responsibility is to ensure that your teams, your partners, your people whom you work with, they all are aware and they all understand how to create a phantom wallet address and submit it on WAS, and how important it is, because for the allocation, for the smooth allocation process, for the smooth dispersal of the tokens, we need to follow the whole process, and everything is on blockchain. The the traction that we have built with Capital 3.0 in towards the fund side is going to be even bigger with this process of allocation. So simple steps: submit your Solana address. Capital 3.0 token C30 DAO token is going to be minted on your address. As soon as the C30 DAO token is minted to your address, you start the voting process. The first process is to vote that yes, I am part of Capital 3.0 DAO. I accept the terms and I am an investor. I am a part of Capital 3.0 DAO. With your vote, this will be confirmed. And then the process of allocation, because see, the process of allocation should have been done after you know after a month or something, because first allocation that we were prepared for was supposed to come after 8 to 10 weeks from now. So it was really far. So we were getting all the things ready, doing the developing the DApp for Capital 3.0 DAO, everything. But we have the allocation in November now, so we need to do things faster. So we will start the minting process from here, and as soon as the DApp is ready, you guys will start the voting process. Even before the DApp is ready, we can start the voting process by simply sending the token to the smart contract. And as soon as you send the token to the smart contract will mint back STC30 DAO token to you. That means your vote is confirmed, authenticated, done on the blockchain layer. And the process of allocation is very simple. When the allocation comes, you swap your 3.0 tokens from WAS. And as soon as you swap, that means withdraw your 3.0 tokens, you will receive C30 DAO tokens in your Solana address. These C30 DAO tokens you have, let's say you cashed out 100% of your ROI, 100% of your 3.0 tokens. Let's say you have 500 tokens today. And today we have announced that project allocation voting is going to start, or project participation is going to start on the DApp. Let's say project A came. So to vote for this project, you will cash out, you will withdraw your 3.0 tokens from WAS. And as soon as you withdraw your 3.0 tokens from the WAS, you will receive C30 DAO token. You cashed out for 500, you receive 500 C30 DAO token. And you want to vote 500 for project A. So you will send 500 C30 DAO token to the smart contract. And as soon as you send, the smart contract here will burn C30 DAO token. And it will mint equal number of STC30 DAO tokens to you. And when STC30 DAO tokens are minted to you, your STC30 DAO tokens are claimed to your project tokens. So your project A tokens will be swapped, will be claimed by STC30 DAO token only. And then it will be burned. And you receive the allocation. So this is a very simple process. No complicated steps, just simply vote and allocate. That's it. I hope next Wednesday or coming Friday first, and then Wednesday when I will be on call, I will ask how many people submitted their Phantom wallet address. I should get all the hands up. All right. So next, I have updates on 9pay. We are now in the final process of complying with visa. They have sent some changes to us, some amendments, some corrections in the UI where visa logos are placed. So all that stuff we have been now correcting it and sending it back to the visa for recheck. So once they will now we have received this Monday, and we have sent amendments back. So we are waiting to get back from them. And as soon as I get back from them, this will be the final, uh, process of deciding when to go live. So next Friday call or Wednesday call, I'm going to give the launch date for 9pay, hopefully. And again, the most important thing is to push Capital 3.0, especially during this week, because the allocation for this project, for the first one, is going to be the cutoff is Monday. So keep pushing it. And then there will be the third one for which we will start the countdown. We will start the process of allocating. So it is going to be super exciting. All the this initial hard work is going to give us a really really big lead, and this is the time, this is the best time to allocate pre-seed funds in the market, because bull run is near. And as Lucky said in the Indian prime time, that this upcoming bull run is going to be more interesting. And after this, a lot of regulations, a lot of this industry is getting formalized more and more. So the big excess will be less visible in the uh, you know in the future bull runs. And I believe also strongly, I agree with Lucky that this bull run is going to be uh, probably one of the last ones where we see big X's. So this is our chance, and the narration is all set. The kind of projects that we are allocating in are market unicorns, already established products. They are going public now. They are going with their TGE rounds now. Leaders are really excited when they saw the project. They jumped on to the tech. They checked how it's working. Fascinating thing is, uh, companies like Binance Labs, they have invested in their pre-seed round in the last one, and they're now getting ready to go public. So this is what uh, my idea is from Capital 3.0. We not only just make money, we also learn and engage ourselves and try to grab more benefits as a community, get some more perks, get some more airdrops, something that gives us all collectively a value as a community. Look where we are right now with affiliate marketing 2.0 narrative. We started with mining, and now we are exploring. We have come so far in 1 year. We have done a lot of stuff, and see how strong the narration is getting. So this is your time to work. This is your time to push, and this is the time to work at your most and the best efficiency. So I'm hoping that rank leaders are have started communicating with their teams with you. So join your team calls, talk to your appliance, ask them about the project, what they got to know, what they understood on the last leadership calls about the project, and what they are doing, what is the collaboration, what is the additional benefit that we are receiving as a community, everything. So yeah, that is it for today, and I hope I was able to establish little clarity over Capital 3.2 narrative, and many more things are yet to come. So keep working hard. Let's catch up on Friday again, and Friday I will have more updates, more information as we planned. Friday Zooms. So Friday Zooms are also important. Make sure you all join. Thank you. Back to you, Grace.
Thank you, Chavez. Excellent. Do have a few leaders here who may want to go ahead and ask some questions. Joe?
Hey, Shavez.
Hello.
Exciting times ahead. As always, you have delivered when others couldn't or didn't. So it's, our little ecosystem is growing into a very big and mature ecosystem. And it's very, very exciting to be here and to be part of that. I don't get that many questions, but the ones I'm getting at the moment are related to the POR. Is there any update you're able to provide on that?
Sure, sure. So there were team is still rechecking, and this week we will deploy Wrap Bitcoin smart contract, and WBTC will be visible on BTC20 Smart Chain, and you all can start testing. Buy a little Wrap BTC with USDT BTC20 to test, to check everything. I mean, there is nothing, no testing or checking required. Is going to be fun to check on swap and buy some wrap Bitcoin using USDT BTC20 also. So 1 week, this week we will do that, and from next week onwards we will start the dispersal process of the refunds. In this whole time, the correction is going on and it will take place. I have also some users reported discrepancy, so we are checking it. And before the withdrawals start, we will correct everything.
Brilliant. Quite a few people were a little eager beaver and have already started that withdrawal process. And obviously, in the back office, it says as in progress. Do they need to do anything?
No.
So that will process, or should they cancel it?
No. That will be processed. No.
That'll be processed.
But make sure that everybody uses a BTC20 wallet address only.
Yes. A lot of people have installed the wrapped BTCC contract.
Okay. That's
not going to be a problem, right?
No, not going to be a problem.
Okay. That's me. If anyone else has a question, thanks very much, Shavez, as always.
Thank you.
David?
Yeah, Shavez, great update. And Joe, that was the question because, of course, a lot of people have done the withdrawal already and it's processed. So that is not a concern because I got the same question yesterday on the Zoom. The vision and the big picture, what we have here in this opportunity, because I think a lot of people, you have to understand timing. And if you understand timing, then you can wait or you can take action. And we always make the example from the Barbie doll. During the history you had the baby boomers, when a lot of people, welfare was coming and people were having a lot of kids, and they need toys. So the timing was Martel, the Barbie doll, toys, but then the people went older and they needed cars, houses. Now they are retirement, they need, retirement houses, and that's timing. So if you look here now, we are in front of the bull run. We know the bull run is coming. And what can people do to prepare themselves for the bull run?
Capital 3.2.
You had the picture, and in the picture what you showed, maybe you can put it back in there. You said on the right side, release. Can you give a little bit more clarity about that word release? Because, for people like us, we know the release will be, but can you give a little bit more explanation about the release?
Sure. So release is simple. When you swap your STC30 DAO token. That is the value that you are going to claim in the project token. So this claim is going to be released uh, when STC30 DAO token is burned by the contract. So that trail started from C30 DAO token and it ended at STC30 DAO token. This is really, really institutional and exciting at the same time. You guys have no idea how much value this process is going to bring. I mean, it looks very simple, but we did a lot of preparation. It is a very unique idea. Nobody has ever thought about this, what we have done with Capital 3.0 DAO.
Because the magic happens when people are going to release. When the release comes, people can convert it to all kind of cryptos,
Yes, yes.
and that will bring market movement. That will be a
And
lot of transactions.
yes, that will show everybody publicly how much money our people, the members of Capital 3.0 DAO have made. You know, this is going to be public on-chain data. And upcoming bear market, next bull run and the next bull run, we are going to cash out on this data only.
That's the exact what I wanted to hear. Thank you.
Exactly.
Other people?
I can ask another question if I'm allowed.
Yeah, sure,
Um,
Joe.
yeah, people are also asking regarding the progress of the boomerang refund.
Boomerang refund is going on. It's going every day.
Okay, there was a few people who uh, experiencing discrepancies. Is that being looked into also?
Yes, yes. I have received a bunch of usernames, and first, before even calling it a discrepancy, I need to verify whether these claims are correct or not. And then I will formulate a process to get it rechecked first from our end. And then if there is anything required from you guys, I will let you know.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Shavez.
Thank you.
All right,
All right.
Chavez. Excellent,
Mhm.
excellent. Thank you, David. Thank you, Sheba Joe. Lucky, thank you much. And Chavez, thank you so much for being here. Um, with regard to validators and nodes, do you have an update on that?
Everything is working. Validator nodes, new offerings, you're
Yes.
saying?
Okay, yes.
Okay. So nodes are active. Nodes can be bought right now. With respect to validators, a BTCC development team is right now engaged in developing peer-to-peer platform, escrow trading platform. The final steps are testing is going on, and along with that, we are also moving a lot of stuff in BTC20, establishing wrap Bitcoin and everything. Once it is done, once a team has some space, then we will start offering the validator opportunity with minimum 100 BTCC participation. So this is in pipeline. I will keep collecting BTCCs, buy BTCCs with USDT BTC20 if you have, and keep holding them. Price is going to shoot up when huge liquidity is going to arrive with POR.
Excellent. Excellent. Thank you so much. Really appreciate the time and patience that you take to come and give us this update and also announcements about new products and everything. I think that will do it for this event.
Thank you. Thank you, Grace. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank
I
you.
will see you all on Friday.
All righty. Look
Bye
forward to
bye,
it.
Chavez.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I don't think we give you enough praise and enough. Um, we're not standing next to you to shake your hand and pat you on the back. So, from every single one of us, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for the work that you put in. It is a journey that we would none of us would have wanted to have missed, and we couldn't be sharing it with a better person. Thank you.
Thank you, Joe. Thank you so much.
Ditto, ditto, ditto. Everybody, thank you all so much. Have a good day.
Durante la